What are you doing, Mom?
I'm making breakfast, Steve. Email bacon and eggs.
Nice.
Nice. Nice.
What? I don't know.
Here.
Hey, look.
Okay. There you go.